Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the inZOI error, no license error. Okay, the first thing you want to do is check to see if you actually do own the game or if it's just a demo. The inZOI Character Studio demo was only playable until April 9th. After that, it is no longer playable. The demo is finished and the error will come up. So make sure that you actually do own the game. If you do own the game and you're getting this error, I would recommend leaving Steam, rebooting Steam, and seeing if that fixes it. And if you have done that, still getting the error, find it in the library, right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, and click on verify integrity of game files. And after you have done that, maybe check to see if your firewall is hurting it somehow. So go to Windows Security, hit enter. From here, firewall and network protection, click on that. Public network active, click on that. And turn off the firewall and see once again. And if you have done that and you're still getting the error, then just contact support and they will help you. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Have a